All right, today we're talking about building something absolutely essential, your financial fortress. We're going to break down two, let's be honest, huge topics, insurance and housing, and turn them into a simple, actionable plan for your stability.
So let's just jump right in with a really big question. In a world that feels more complex and uncertain every day, how do you actually protect what you have and build for the future? It's a question we all have to face, and figuring out the answer is just so crucial.
You know, that path to financial security, it's kind of full of potential traps. Unexpected events can pop up and derail even the most carefully made plans. But here's the good news. There are some really powerful tools out there to help you navigate these risks. And today, we're zeroing in on two of the most important ones. Okay, first up, let's talk defense. I want you to think of insurance as your financial shield. It's your first line of protection when life throws a curveball. And trust me, it's not just some boring piece of paper. It's a real strategy. A really key part of that shield is life insurance. Look, at its heart, it's a very simple promise. It's a contract that makes sure your loved ones are financially okay if you're not around anymore. It's really about securing their future, which is a powerful thing. But it is a trade-off. On the one hand, you've got this incredible pro, a real safety net for your family, no question. But on the flip side, yeah, the policies can be expensive and honestly, kind of confusing. Finding the right balance on this scale, that's the key to making it work for you. Next up is something that's pretty much a non-negotiable these days, health insurance. This is your defense against those massive, out-of-the-blue medical bills that can literally wipe out your savings overnight. It's designed to cover the whole spectrum, from a simple hospital stay to major medical emergencies. The benefits are crystal clear, right? A good policy is a strong shield when you need it most. But, and this is a big but, you've got to be aware of the cracks. Things like those initial waiting periods or specific exclusions in the policy can weaken your protection. It's why reading that fine print is so important. And hey, your shield probably isn't complete with just one or two layers. Depending on your life, you'll want to add other things. Vehicle insurance, that's a must-have. It's mandatory. Home insurance protects your single biggest asset. And even travel insurance gives you peace of mind on the go. Every single one of these plugs a potential financial leak. Okay, so we've got our defensive shield in place. Now, let's switch to offense. It's time to talk about building your financial foundation. And for a lot of people, the cornerstone of that foundation is owning a home. But let's be real. This is a huge decision. It's not for everyone, and it's not for every stage of life. So this is where you have to pause and ask yourself, is buying a home the right foundation for me right now? Making that call really means weighing two different things. First, there's the practical side. Can I afford this? Is the location right? Is this builder someone I can trust? And you weigh all of that against the really powerful rewards, creating a real asset, getting tax benefits, and that deep sense of emotional security. So what if you've weighed it all and buying is the right move for you? Awesome, now what? Well, let's open up the playbook for a clear, step-by-step guide on how to get it done. I know the legal side of this can seem super intimidating, but it really boils down to 5 key moves. First, you verify the title. You have to make sure the seller actually owns the place. Second, you check for any hidden debts on the property with something called an encumbrance certificate. From there, you finalize the sale agreement, you register the property, which makes it officially yours, and you submit all your loan paperwork. It's a process for sure, but it's totally manageable one step at a time. Okay, so we've talked about our shield for protection and our foundation for stability. Let's bring this all home and talk about what this really means for building your financial future. So, what's the one big takeaway here? If you remember one thing from all this, let it be this simple but powerful idea. Insurance is your shield. It protects you from the unexpected. And a home, well, a home can be your foundation, giving you stability for long-term growth. You really need both to build a truly strong financial fortress. And that leaves us with one final, powerful question. And this one is for you to think about. Whether it's reinforcing that shield with the right insurance policy or maybe starting to plan for that foundation, what's the first tangible brick you're going to lay for your financial future? The next move is yours.